In today's energy markets, let's take a look at natural gas futures as they're realizing higher price action. Once again today, we're seeing them up for a second consecutive session. And today we're seeing them up close to 6% currently at the 8.68 level, which is the highest range for today and also corresponds with basically a 6-week high when you look at natural gas futures. Continuing to realize further upside here, and I think when you look at some of the driving factors today, a lot is centered around what's taking place in Europe, has been over the last several months. It continues to be the case once again today, as it does appear that Russia is initiating further restrictions on natural gas flows to Germany, which is having a direct impact on Europe, and we're also seeing it play out in the global markets as the consideration for increased demand coming from Europe as they continue to wrestle with the pipelines and the natural gas flows from Russia. And I think that that's the primary driver today as to why we're seeing continued upside in natural gas futures. And also, I think when you look at some of the other dynamics, we're seeing the dollar under a little bit of pressure here. I think that that's also contributing. But overall, energy continues to be a challenge, particularly in the European region, and that's driving pricing action across the globe. And when you look at natural gas futures, we are seeing them now pushing up quite substantially for the month of July. From the June lows, you look at that September contract, we're up about $3.26 currently, which is about 61% off of those June levels, closing levels for June. And now we're pushing up just shy of the contract closing high, which is just around $9.26 for natural gas futures for the September contract. So we are inching closer to those highs that we realized a little over a month ago. And as well as the highest levels in about 14 years is that corresponding price level up around that $9.26 level. So upside momentum once again in natural gas. We're seeing some upside momentum in WTI as well today, but natural gas up for a second session and now pushing up towards the 14-year highs.